If you're tired of hearing the same old side hustles like Uber, DoorDash, and flipping couches, this video is for you. Because today, I'm breaking down 7 secret side hustles you can start today. No special skills, no fancy degree, and most people don't even know these exist. Some of these can make a few $100s a week, and a couple can turn into full-time income if you stay consistent. So make sure you watch until the end, because number 7 is the one people sleep on the most, and it pays the most. Side hustle. Number 1. Digital product reselling. The first secret side hustle is digital product reselling, and this one is powerful because there's no inventory, no shipping, and no customer calls. Here's how it works. You buy digital products with resale rights, things like ebooks, planners, journals, or courses, rebrand them, and sell them as your own. You can sell these on Etsy, Gumroad, or your own website. The best part? You create it once, and it can sell over and over again while you sleep. Quick tip. Start with planners or money journals. They sell every day. Side hustle. Number 2, AI prompt selling. Side hustle number 2 is selling AI prompts, and yes, people are actually paying for this. Most people use AI wrong. They don't know what to ask or how to structure prompts. You can create prompts for things like resumes, business ideas, marketing, real estate, or YouTube scripts. Then you sell them as bundles on platforms like Etsy or PromptBase. Reality check. If you know how to talk to AI, you already have the skill. Side hustle. Number 3, faceless YouTube automation. Now this one is a game changer. Faceless YouTube automation. You don't need to show your face. You don't even need your voice. You use stock videos, AI voiceovers, and simple editing. Popular niches are money facts, luxury lifestyles, motivation, history, and storytelling. Once your channel is monetized, you make money from ads, affiliates, and even brand deals. Truth bomb. Some people are making thousands a month without ever appearing on camera. Side hustle. Gesture 4. Local service lead. Flipping. This one is super underrated. Local service lead flipping. You don't do the work. You don't own the business. You simply generate leads for services like pressure washing, junk removal, or mobile detailing, and sell those leads to local companies. Businesses gladly pay $25 to $100 per lead. Example: 5 leads a day at $50 each is $250 a day. Side hustle. Number 5, remote notary or document services. Side hustle number 5 is remote notary or document prep services. Paperwork isn't going anywhere, and people hate dealing with it. You can work with real estate agents, lawyers, or everyday people who need documents handled properly. Once certified, you can charge $75 to $200 per appointment. Side hustle. Number 6, TikTok Shop Affiliate. This one is blowing up right now, TikTok Shop Affiliate marketing. You don't need your own product. You don't need a big following. You just promote trending products and TikTok pays you a commission for every sale. Short videos, big reach, real money. Side hustle. Number 7, high-ticket referral arbitrage. And this last one is the biggest sleeper, high-ticket referral arbitrage. You connect people to high-value services like credit repair, business funding, marketing agencies, or coaching programs. You don't do the work, you make the introduction. One referral can pay you anywhere from $500 to $3,000. Key point: you don't need volume, you need the right connection. In closing or call to action. Here's the truth most people won't tell you. These side hustles work, but only if you pick one and stay consistent for 30 days. Don't bounce around, don't overthink, take action. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe, and comment which side hustle you're starting today. I'll see you in the next video because your income should never be limited to one source.